Today we're going to be making roast potatoes, but these roast potatoes have a twist because we're going to flavour them with a little bit of Marmite. So to make your Marmite roast potatoes, peel them first, boil them. You can do that with the other vegetables that you might have going on the day, or you can do them on your own. Add a little bit of chicken stock into it if you want to while you're boiling them, and just keep on boiling them until they're slightly soft on the outside. Don't over boil them or you'll have to turn them into mashed potatoes. Then from there you strain them off, but keep that stock if you've got the chicken stock or vegetable stock, as well as all the flavours that are coming from the potatoes and the vegetables. If you've done it that way, you can hold that back for gravy. Then after that, what you want is you want to mix your Marmite with a little bit of oil. So you want to try and turn it into a little bit of a paste because Marmite's quite thick. From there you want to put your potatoes, dry them off and put them onto a tray, and then sprinkle them with salt and pepper and whatever else you want to. Then start pouring over the Marmite mix. Now I know a lot of people when they make roast potatoes will want to heat the oil up, but it's a little bit trickier when it comes to making Marmite potatoes. So what you want to try and do is coat those potatoes, make sure there's salt on there, because not only does it flavour our roast potatoes, but it also draws out moisture, and salt will make it crispier. Then put it in the oven for a good 30 to 40 minutes at around about 200 degrees, and then just keep an eye on them, and then when you start seeing them crisping up, you'll have the best roast potatoes ever.